Are you fed up of trying various actives just to leave your skin feeling irritated and angry? Then Mandelic Acid is the one for you. In this video, I'll explain how it can help with acne and with skin pigmentation. Welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Sabana. I've been a medical doctor for nearly 20 years, specialising in skin and aesthetics. I want to share all the things I've learned on the way, so let's get started. So what is mandelic acid? Mandelic acid is derived from bitter almonds, and in my opinion, it is an underrated powerhouse of skincare products. It is an alpha hydroxy acid, AHA. So you might ask, what's an AHA? You may have heard of products such as glycolic acid or lactic acid mentioned in a lot of skincare products. These are also AHAs. AHAs are exfoliating acids. It's a chemical way to help skin turnover, to help your skin shed the dead skin cells and therefore improve skin texture and brighten your complexion. In this video, I do a deep dive into AHAs and how to use it in your skincare routine. Now, going back to mandelic acid, let me tell you why I like it. It's all to do with the molecular size of mandelic acid. Mandelic acid is the largest of all AHAs, 152.1 daltons, whereas glycolic acid is 76 daltons. Therefore, due to its large size, it's absorbed into the skin slowly. So it means you get a steady, slow rate of exfoliation. And because of this, it doesn't burn the skin. Therefore, it doesn't cause irritation or inflammation. Just remember, everyone's skin type is different. So you might want to do a patch test before you introduce this into your skincare routine. Because mandelic acid doesn't cause so much irritation or inflammation, it's great for all skin types, but especially helpful for skin of colour. A lot of acids out there can cause skin irritation, and those of us that have more melanin, the melanocytes, the cells that produce the melanin, will react to this trauma. This then triggers excess pigmentation, and because of this, darker skin tones need to be treated less aggressively. Mandelic acid is well known for its benefits for acne, but for some reason over the last few years, ingredients such as salicylic acid and niacinamide have taken centre stage. Mandelic acid has antibacterial properties and it helps prevent breakouts. It helps unclog pores and to regulate sebum. And by regulating sebum production, it's great for acne-prone skin. Given that acne is a recurrent chronic condition, having something like mandelic acid as part of your skincare routine is a great way to slowly and steadily exfoliate the layers of the skin on a long-term basis. Essentially, you can keep using it for years. Mandelic acid has also been shown to act as a tyrosinase inhibitor, meaning it blocks the enzyme responsible for melanin production, which is why it helps address hyperpigmentation. Over the last few years, I've been fighting with acne, getting those annoying red pimples along the cheeks here and often on the chin. This then leaves patches of dark brown pigmentation, and it takes ages to clear up. Since I started using mandelic acid, I have found that it really helps to slowly exfoliate the top layer of my skin and reduce how long the pigmentation lasts for. So what's the best way to use mandelic acid? When you start off using any active treatment, you need to use it 1 to 2 times a week. If your skin can handle it, then you can increase it gradually to 3 to 4 times a week. And then you can maybe even step it up to every night. But always start slowly and don't rush the process. I recommend using mandelic acid at night after cleansing your face. All AHAs make your skin more sensitive to the sun, which is why I advise to use them at night. So you wash your face, you apply the mandelic acid, and you just let it sit. Let it get absorbed into the skin. Give it about 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the product. And then apply moisturiser if you need to. And the best thing about mandelic acid is that you can use it all year round. Mandelic acid can be used with other products, especially hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. But if you're just starting off with any active, I would use them on its own and not mix them together, just so that you can see how your skin reacts to it and let it get used to it. Once there's less or no irritation, then you can introduce other products together as part of your routine. And if you want to find out what niacinamide is and what the hype is all about, then watch this video. So what are the products I like to use? First up, and my favourite, is the ordinary Mandelic Acid 10% with hyaluronic acid. This is a product I've been using for the last few months and it's really helped my skin. It's a serum and it can be used twice a day, but I think once a day is enough, to be honest. You simply pat it into your skin after cleansing. I've been using it for about 3 months now. It's really helped with my breakouts and it's helped improve my hyperpigmentation. The good thing about this ordinary product is that it has a short ingredient list, and because it contains hyaluronic acid, it helps pull water into the top layer of the skin, plumping up the skin as well. And it's really affordable at £7.40 for 30 mils. The next product is Wish Trend Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water. This is a great way to introduce mandelic acid to your skincare routine, as it's a lower percentage and it's less likely to cause any side effects. It has some botanic extracts to have that added effect to help pigmentation. It also has licorice extract, which is great for inflammation. This product can also be used twice a day and it's around £20 for a 120ml bottle, so not too pricey. Product number 3 is the Inky List Mandelic Acid Treatment. This is also 10% mandelic acid and it's a product that contains 0.1% retinol, so it's a combination treatment and can really help to improve sunspots and pigmentation. It also contains glycerin, which makes it heavier and a creamier product to use. So if you're one of those people that likes a thicker product or a moisturising product, then this is the one for you. It costs around £11 for a 15ml tube. There you have it. Mandelic acid is great for acne and brightening skin pigmentation, but it's gentle, so not to cause harm on skin of colour. Thank you for watching.